Last
Thank you.
thing I would,
Very short, because
very short.
Yeah.
These are the photographs of the Christian minorities coming to my headquarters, Minhajul Quran, and we are cutting the Christmas cake. We are not, Christmas cake, you can show.
Yeah, I can
These
show it.
are all, this is Minhajul Quran. These are Christian leaders belonging to Catholic, belonging to Protestant Church of Pakistan, and I opened the mosque of Minhajul Quran for them. The first mosque opened for Christians for their worship. They are worshipping according to Christian religion.
So,
and finally, this is the Pope John Paul, late, receiving my fatwa, and my student attending a 6-month course there.
Right.
So we are always propagating interfaith harmony and relationship with religions, and we are working with minorities. And in Pakistan, I am the chairman of Muslim Christian Dialogue Forum. And if you ask the Christians, Hindus and Sikhs in Pakistan, minorities, name single person among the Muslim leaders or Muslim religious scholars, single person who has been your protector, who has been fighting for your rights. And if you ask single name, I hope they will mention only one name, and that is Dr. Tahir Qadri.
And thank you very much for coming. Thank you.
Thank you very much too.